Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Skeletons. I hope you all are doing fine, and I'm making this video after a long time. So this is an introduction video for the 450 DSA problems that we are going to do. By the way, all credit goes to two people. One goes to Lovebubber, who created this list of 450 DSAs, which is a big thing. Okay, and apart from that, I also want to thank this person. I don't know the name. I think I okay, this project is by Ashish. So this is a React app, and this React app is actually a personal web-based progress tracker app. And here wait a minute, here you can find all the 450 DSA questions that Lovebubber introduced in his 450 DSA cracker sheet. And there are different sections like arrays, matrix, strings, and all those. So actually I solved most of these problems when I'm still preparing for placements, but I solved a lot of them, and I uploaded some videos for this 450 DSA cracker, and some of the videos and you guys gave a lot of love to some of the videos, and so many comments I got in the comment section that they want videos on this particular question. So I decided, why not just start a new playlist with all solution to all the questions. Doesn't matter whether it is an easy one or tough, I will try to solve all of them. And if I skip, then you can assume two things. One, it's too easy, and second, it's way too hard. Okay, so let's look at the about section, and also show some love to Ashish, who actually created this great React app. I really like this app. Let's look at the app for some time. Like, suppose you start arrays, and suppose you completed this one, you completed two, you complete some of them. Okay, and when you go back to topics, you can see that you are done with 22% of arrays. Okay, and this is your total progress, all the sections included. So this is a great React app, and this is Ashish, and I think I should connect. Yeah, why not? And this is a great React app. Okay, so you can use this React app, and what I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to pick one question at a time. The main purpose of showing this React app is to show you a better way to track your progress. And I want to tell one more thing, that this video is not sponsored on anything or anything like that. I really like this app, therefore I'm showing you. And so okay, that's it. So this was just an introduction video, and we will begin shortly. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.